Well, this is the 2010 Peter, and we just mocked up and threw the Jeep up there just to get a feel for the size of what you're looking at. But we got to adjust the wheel mounts, because definitely this Jeep can pull forward another almost 2 feet, which will give you a little bit of clearance back here. And we threw the camper on here. I'll get you on the other side to show you what we got for that. But this is a typical setup. Somebody could use it. Go out camping, haul your equipment on the back, haul your Jeep, haul whatever you want. Now, if you need to haul something, to use the fifth wheel or the gooseneck hitch on here, you could, you definitely have to set up something a little shorter than the Jeep on this particular setup here. You can get yourself a little side-by-side and still have room to turn. But you can see we've got the hitch on the bottom. We got the Pinto, gooseneck, and the fifth wheel plate. And that's all set up on airbags on the inside there. So everything floats nice and you're not tearing up your equipment. So, but overall, what you're looking at is a multi-hitch that designed by Folkman Incorporated. This hitch has several features in there. It's got a 2.5-inch receiver, Pinto hitch, gooseneck ball, and on the top is a Kurt Power Ride fifth wheel hitch head. And you see on the sides there the green angles. That is to mount to the top of your truck frame. Inside you've got a ping tank and 4 airbags and a leveling valve. And this is a system that we developed several years back, and it's been doing a pretty good job for us. Shocks on the side to help stabilize it. You'll have to really take a look at this. This is the setup that we got here. This is our 14-foot 10 flatbed to go along with our Air Ride multi-hitch. This is set up for a single axle on this specific unit. You can see there's a slight 4-foot dovetail on there. There's D-ring tie downs. Your tail light, it accepts the standard grommeted tail light. All the cross members and frame is 1/4-inch plate, so you can see that it's a pretty sturdy bed. There's doors on the side to accept your ramps that you can slide out, and they hook over the back or the sides of the bed. There's clearance light holes. There's holes and provisions in the front to mount the winch if that's something that you need to do. You can set up with mud flaps, but yeah, this is just one option. The single, we can go tandems, longer, whatever we need to do, it's something we can create. So pretty nice setup. Well, there goes the Pete. He's taking her around to the side there. Yeah, it's a real nice setup. The concept with inside the Pete there, it's a double bunk, air conditioning, refrigerators, and APU on there with heat and the battery charger. So we'll see if we can move this one on and start on the next one. Just doing a test drive with the RV hauler. Got a Jeep up there. Doesn't quite sit in the tracks. Once you got a vehicle on there, you just have to adjust your mounts on there for that specific vehicle. And we got her loaded up, and we've got the airbags on the hitch adjusted so we've still got a couple inches of travel up and down on there with the air hitch on there. So Well, we're just doing another demo here for you. We threw a Jeep on the back. We got some weight on the back. This is a 24,000 pound trailer. Just to max out our hitch there to see how that whole thing's working here. Let me get around the other side here to see what we got for clearance. Yep, we got a lot of room for clearance on there. Technically this Jeep can get pulled forward another 18 inches or so. That definitely helped move that up a little bit. But we just wanted to see how the airbags and how the hitch and everything was doing here. So take this one for another ride, have a demo. Couple of Jeeps on the back. We got a mud truck, and it's all set up with the air hitch on there. And Justin is just pulling into the yard there, so there's plenty of clearance for turning on there. So yeah, this is a RV hauler. It's set up as with a Motorhome plates on there, so your plates are about $120 a year. You don't need a CDL, and you can just get regular motorhome insurance on it. So that's another benefit of what this RV hauler can do for you. So once again, this is a unit that we put together, and